This 2020 Winnebago Vista 29VE is a Class A RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features microwave, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, slide-out, water heater. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.